Hello everyone and welcome to episode 147 of the castle. I think it's episode 147, I'm not actually sure, I haven't checked in a while. Anyway, we've got our first load of wood for the morning and I'm going to get into it now. Oh, my camera battery is dying. I came out here with a second camera battery just in anticipation of this happening. Alright, this is the base where the old castle used to be, and I'm kind of kicking myself for moving all this stone over to there because it feels like I'm digging holes and then filling them back in the Great Depression all over again. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to begin doing that. We're going to see if we can get 100 loads today. Alright, I'm going to work on fortifying the wall.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my coziness so I can rest at last. Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Make myself some muffins, now I get some gold doubloons.
Sonic in my source code, I'm the tricks of hard road. Like an enderman, take them all out solo. Safety in numbers, thinking they can plunder. Then they come for me, they disappear in the thunder.
Lightning crackling, I grow like a sapling. Strong like a tree, it's a forest they are battling. Tasty little treats, salmon, cheese and meat. I prefer fruit while I'm sitting in my seat, accusing me of all their fears. Their projection makes their tears.
Alright, I'm getting a little dehydrated, so I'm going to go inside and get a tasty snack. Probably not a snack, just some drink. Maybe a cup of hot water with lemon juice in it. And then I'm going to come back out here. I've only done 6 loads, which is barely anything. Really got to get along with this. Right everyone, we're on load 7. This is the 7th load of the day, which isn't very much, but we'll get there.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last. Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins and now I'll get some gold doubloons. I'm a dandy, just chilling with the gym rat. Grinning, I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, then a million real life Minecraft. Back inside the mine shaft, real redstone in my hand and now I run fast. So I mine, and I build. I dig holes. Now I built my own guild. So I mine, and I build.
Probably somewhere I'm just trying to scroll.
Do you? So have you got a YouTube or a website or something?
Yeah.
What have you got? Can I have a look at it? No rush. We're good. That's you.
What?
Oh. Thank you. Thanks. Do you mind if I put a photo on my Instagram page? Pineapple?
What a view up here! Coming down now! Let's run! This place is awesome!
Alrighty, I've done 11 loads. Now I'm gonna keep going.
Once upon a time, it was dinner time. Big bad pig getting eaten by the wolf tonight. Blow down my house, one shame on me. Blow it down twice, nope, that's not happening. Reinforced steel and I'm building up my winners. No lone wolf, here the whole pack starts grinning. You see 1 shadow, then 3, then 12. Stacking up levels and put them on my shelves. Climb out of your rivers and we see in the dark. They come and swing and let them up from the yard.
Alrighty, I made a tiny little bit of progress. If I come over here, you can see we've been weaving the sticks into the stones and layering them up. And the sticks are a kind of mesh. It's holding everything together. Well, most of the gravity's holding it together, but the sticks are kind of like a reinforcing fiber, like you would put inside concrete before pouring it, so it doesn't fall to bits. At least that's the idea. It hasn't fallen down yet, but each time it does, we'll just keep repairing it.
Driving in steel beams with a sledgehammer. Sigils and I etch 'em in the right banner. Rune trip wires like magic, light 'em up. You set off a war, now I don't give a fuck. Solid cold steel, getting driven in the cold. They think that I'm young, but I'm really, really old. Stone of the philosopher, now
moat's coming in. Water's flowing in pretty fast. Right out of the water and then blew back up to the top of the cliff. It's very cool.
Smell of fear and it lingers in the air. Crown on my head, I'm the first, not an heir. Think they got me cornered, so I walk right through the wall. Danley, don't forget. And we remote view them all. Satellite gift for an extra pair of eyes.
Right, I'm at the top of the nest. I'm going to attempt to make it more comfortable and then hopefully get a nap.
Don't need a screen, telepathic link, nice. Switch frequencies and trace all your signals. Wi-Fi like a rainbow on the towers with a jingle. Solid
Okay, I'm going to try and weave these sticks together and we'll hold all the stones up.
cold steel getting driven in the cold. They think that I'm young, but I'm really, really old. Stone of a philosopher, knowledge of an officer. Tree of wisdom glows, luminescent runic followers. Sha-la-la-la-da-da-da-da-da-da. Sha-la-la-la-da-da-da-da-da-da. La-ba-la-do Harry. I got no bodyguards and no security. If I need it protected, I will just rewrite reality. Danley's just a visitor, disrupted to inhibitors. Careful how you treat visitors.
Alrighty, I'm going to attempt to get a cozy nap.
Swords of the spirits, change genetic limits. Turn back time to the Emerald Cities. That fight of Aaron, cut down Mammon. Vaporize your altars while eating a salmon. Revelation,
Oh, this happened to my toe. It's a mild inconvenience, but I'm pretty sure it will heal quite quickly.
It's a sunny day, and I like it that way. Keep building on with no pay. I'm gonna build a castle from the first castle's remains. Build all day, build all night. Build with stone and build to fight. La da da da, la da da da. Building up my throne with the ha ha ha. Build all day, build all night. Standing on the water under the moon in the dark. Swing my sword at the phantoms. Gotta get the membranes fast. 3 days no sleep, building a portal to the past.
Danley had some thoughts, no one know if they are his, but he quilled them on the page, and they go like this. Lovely sunsets with the warm red light. Fire in my heart and it still shines bright. Spark in my core, you can't put it out. You can try to hide it, but it will burn you out. They isolated me, took away all that I had, so I will build an army and take it all back. Send in special forces and they all mega fail. Show was isn't hot and you can't pay your bail. Field marshal driller, no fun being a killer. They spend their whole life on the run like the Millers, haunted by the ghosts of the ones they terminated. Rather be a fisherman than be a cursed terminator. Buzzy, buzzy bee, zoom around me. Buzzy, buzzy bee, is she caged or is she free? Buzzy, buzzy bee, have you any free will? Buzzy, buzzy bee, yes, but all blocked by that fake bill. Buzzy, buzzy bee, I could go for some honey. Buzzy, buzzy bee, buzzy bees don't need silly money. Police and toy soldiers, generals play their cards. Another human life that they easily discard. They might try to kill me and they might succeed, but I will come back until every last one kneels.